Ya mwache biem samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumede so ni tekotego yeda se ni nkranhyan samwa wode hyase ma ya bribia de edu so no ye Badwam kase nsam no ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni cheda anana akwa me bedi akon se enede owo ahotoso se democracy kebi ma menkebi adin hene ewo Ghana ha yede sansam no ebebro na afa yakọ PNC National Chama ya yi no foforo se MPP ni NDC won anya mfie aduosia no won pe ba bi ntina na mmabunu no animai so sansam no ne nsem bi na no pay bede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV ya 119 DSTV ya 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwa adomonline.com semni nyina nso ya bo no digu ho medindi afia amankwa tamaklu faseda mama Joy Trish wono matadi ba ko na hyemi afia ni die mientie se den 70 chiremu no etie nana kwa me bedi akon enei wo ka na bakosem ntichi wo man Ghana mu se de yen democracy agihini na enei pa na waje atumu sampa democracy anase kabima menkabia mamu o man Ghana yedimu akotene pa na eya na hoho nso so ye Ghana ni enei wo de nkrata akọ Electoral Commission se obepre mampani de bie ni bi wo afi abatuo mu eho eno de sansemi etudwa.
Team of the new force, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to this nation, country Ghana, first of all. And secondly, we would like to thank the EC for all the work that they have put up in the past decades of this country. I want to say that democracy works in this country, and we appreciate very much that for us to have the right to be a part of our national governance gives us hope that this future can be built not by foreigners but by citizens of this country. And that alone gives me hope to be a Ghanaian. I'm proud to be one. I would also like to use this opportunity to thank you, Jane. This job is not just for a woman, but you have proven yourself that you're a woman with strength to lead a nation. For us to go through this moment, this election is a tough one. It's a lot of tension, and I pray that God gives you the strength, the willpower, and the great knowledge and wisdom to be able to help your country to go through this moment. And let there be peace, let there be love, let there be understanding, and let us build our country together. Thank you.
Wasan simi ho ninteno che ema Electoral Commission Jen Mensa editudwa said the beya no kredi na pepepeyo ebedi hini abato yi mo ninteno commission no den hihia hodo na na egu akwemu
Akakra na omei yakọ sieni makoyi mampani na femrashe bedwafo na numu na ne ya make say PNC amanyuko eye People's National Convention wamakoyi dwamtenani foforo ya wono ye Samson Asaki Awingobet Neno na wode 20 senior MPP amanyuko wona nya mfie duosia ne se won firi ho na mmabunu no womrama mebu me eno akire nso won franka tuni eno a won pa no ho ntoma eye owura Bernard Mona Adom TV kase etwaso.
PNC has given birth to a new crop of leadership who are youthful. As you can see, my presidential candidate, you can see the national chairman, myself, and the entire executive that we've just introduced this morning. It shows that we have the energy, and this is the right time to work and retire. The New Patriotic Party, the National Democratic Congress Party, I can tell them, Ghana will not vote anybody who had worked and attained his 60 years and still want to lead with the youth. Ghana, come 7th December, will give PNC because it's the youth who are looking for the job.
Enwechi NSC nipa wohim franka ama PNC amanyoko no Bernard Mona editu vya sese adwuma na hyase dada isanse e wo so ko man mantwea ba bia ekokobọ ntoa no bibia wafra amanyoko no nso one saafo no nyina beka sase beye a wode won beba amanyoko no biem se beye a obetimi enya abanwan no wayi NPP ene NDC amanyoko no efri ho.
Minim say 7th December mo any Ghana for so beto aba amame. Minim say 7th January Chief Justice ebe fami ach magana for nyina say me na meye omanpanyin e de magana fo enne no meni abre efi say ye wadwuma ye ba beyo me sesi ano ese me ko 261 districts na me ko pe nominations na we nyina na ese me wie ansa na Wednesday
MPP amanyoko no mantamu dwamtenani wo northern region ne mabunu bi e wo ho no mo atudi na chi permanent den fi se wo mususu se wafa ballot materials bi de abrana wo mo boaboa wo ho walewale primaries no ti wo mo atu ogu no so den na sansam no ya atesem akeka bi na ekoso e wo ho eno achi nso wo mo esusu se wo mo ehu na hyenso no na niema bi ewuwo mu emunsam adom kase etwoso.
Yes, the Nabupa 10 minutes. Katakana until realized that police might identify the car shell. The woman white one man. So we identify the Karinyala Northeast Deputy Secretary of MPP. Oka Ambala. So the police might can realize that something is inside. So kabubolo no come na ntiyoli so that kabule nang bugibu oye no ko kana kabu mo hal police commander ma mo hal no come na ko bu bor no kana kati yella chairman samba the chairman samba come na tifilati police ma so that ka babang bin yanin sham yiri yana abang na abutum tali. Why are you running away from opening the car? You should have come and open the car. You understand? It means something is inside. That's why he doesn't want to come and open the car. So now the supporters are angry. And they are saying that the car will not go unless they open the car.
Commissioner ya wati edwema ya batwo eso ye chairperson Jane Adokwe Mensah. Nene wadi ato presidential candidate ni nyina one day wo mo nomination forms no abase afei na bedwako no kwatase na won waye nhwehwemu ne ye bia no won mo baye ne mo nkoye ne ede ohaw bi ebeba emunsem ene.
Two teams which have been tasked to review all the forms submitted. The technical team has been tasked to scrutinize the forms submitted to ensure that the candidate meets the requirements as set out by law, namely that the presidential candidate is at least 40 years of age, and I hope you are, that he or she has satisfied all tax obligations, that he or she has nominated a vice presidential candidate, amongst others. The second team, namely the IT team, has been charged with the responsibility of scrutinizing all voter ID cards of the presidential candidates and their supporters to ensure that the candidates are indeed registered voters.
And this Yamanyoko Jamtneni Johnson Esiedu in Ketia se party no ebeboaboa won adehye nyina no wo maimu nyina na won aye yekire de akire electoral commission no se wonye audit e wo voter register no emo.
The whole Ghana yebeye mother of all demonstrations. Dano Sacramento Fiura Bitu. As I say, electoral commission say kase womunye nema bima abato numu na hofria. Enya say papa bi na womu ye yo. Eye womu adwuma enunti na yetua. Yes. Enunti no on the 17th I be branda no. All regional capitals, NDC, and all other parties, civil society organizations, womu believe in free, fair, and transparent elections. Am penny society electoral commission bechi obito asia konwa so wa bra nya Ghana for na ato abama no. Ye pese obia be demonstration to all the 16 regional EC offices in the whole country. Na ya tunta sukoko e de akire omo. Ye free wa e de petition so be ma parliament. Say parliament ho na sika free ba ma omo de abato no. Woman so ebe free electoral commission the command speaker of parliament no ahwe say enhihye ya ye de be kosa abato emu no emu be ye kroje.
MPP Amanyoko Franka Tuni Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Semema Ghana form Fatumi no ma NDC Franka Tuni John Romani Mahama fi so nya shenkani papa a obetimi de omai edu ye mbota ye ho ehun semni.
He did not even have enough money to have chalk in schools. Teacher training allowances were cancelled. Nursing training allowances were cancelled. We had to live in Doomsaw for 4 years. The National Health Insurance Scheme was collapsing. National Ambulance Scheme collapsed. We had a banking system which was in crisis.
Mampanyina be die Dr. Elijah Muhammad Baumia SI eka de to aso sei onyesu ehunu pii ye obetimi aboa oman na ogidi ye se omanfo e de steer na ema na obetimi aye ne yie.
He wants a Google Kitty and 24-hour disco. Is that how we are going to transform Ghana? No. The bus is in Wale Wale and the mate is going to take it from Wale Wale and get to Paga and beyond, and we will transform this country.
Ni krakra na mrashibi jeni ojina mo manfo we futu onukroya Adom kese ne ba no den ya fenwuma ken editu dwase.
For the first time since 1957, when this country attained independence, it has taken the MPP as the first party ever to give a Muslim an opportunity to be a flag bearer in the politics of the country. We have given true meaning to our vision as a party for our country. That in our party is a party of inclusiveness and diversity.